Welcome back, Jungle Learners. DJ Milo here, and today we're becoming jungle reporters. Let's learn how to say what someone said using reported speech verbs. Let's report. Milo reported that the storm was over. Kiko whispered a secret. Lola explained how the machine works. Milo asked where we were going. Memo reminded me to bring sunscreen. Lola promised she wouldn't be late. Milo repeated that word 3 times. Kiko told me to get ready. Lola announced I am home. Now it's your turn. Can you write what each word means? Then use it in your own sentence, just like a real reporter. Let's play. Reporter says. Follow DJ Milo's voice and move your body. Whisper quietly, announce loudly, and don't forget to smile. Great work, reporters. You learned how to say what someone said using verbs like told, asked, and reported. Keep practicing, and you'll sound confident in every conversation. See you in lesson 4.